Hello everyone! Oh, Tea Life Hacker here, about to hack into some cool, fun kid ideas. So some fun activities for working on writing and your finger strength, hand strength, all so that you can do some activities of drawing, writing, the things you need in school. So the first thing, the activity I'm showing today is this. You want to know why it looks all smeared and messy? I'm going to show you why. So the material you're going to need for this activity is a floating boat cup. No, just kidding. It's a cup and water. You can't really see the water, but you can see it dripping off of this. So you're going to need water, a bowl, a marker, paper, and scissors. And what we're going to do is we are going to, first off, we're going to make Mickey, like you saw earlier. I'll put it out again. Mickey. So you're going to put a circle in the middle, which is hard to see with my cup. So make sure you don't use a shiny cup like mine that is water resistant. And then you can use the other side of your cup. You know how you have the small and big? You can choose. We'll do the small side now for the ears. And you might have to do it a few times. What this activity is working on is, you see how my hand is having to hold the cup. It works on endurance for the hand and finger strengthening because you have to hold the cup. As you see, you have to grasp it. Right now, I'm using, this would be my tripod grasp. And that's something that the children would benefit to work on for their writing skills when they hold their pencil. Like that or like that. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to mark it. And do not be afraid that it smears. In fact, that was part of the beauty of it too, is working on the child's ability to increase their frustration tolerance. Things don't go as predictable as they would like. Say, for example, how it smears. So this works on their ability to be okay with it, essentially. And if they can't handle it, then you can work on putting less water on there, or even just outlining it for them first and then having them trace it. But the beauty of using water is that it also forces force awareness, meaning how much pressure they put on the paper will have to be adjusted in order for them to mark the paper. If it's wet, they're going to have to use a light touch, because they'll find that if they press really, really hard, it's going to tear the paper or it's going to smear even more. So you have to use a light touch. And also, many times you'll see them doing it like this, but if they do it this way, it can actually reduce the amount of force they put on the paper, because you're more at an angle versus straight down like this. And then we'll make our other circle. Then we can put letters inside. So the circles also serve as a visual boundary for children needing to space their letters. So say, for example, we have children that do like this, putting their words together. But this purposely forces you to space it out. See? And then you'll cut it out. And the same thing with cutting, which cutting works on the hand-eye coordination, bilateral coordination, all of which is making sure you stay on target for what you're cutting. And you're able to hold the paper. If you just do that, it's going to be hard for the paper to cut. And then also to cut, they'll have to figure out What do I do with my paper? You turn it, you rotate it, stabilize the paper with this hand, and turn it. If the child needs help with cutting and with moving the paper, you can give guidance, or you can put a rock on here or something that'll force them to be aware, oh, weight. If you put weight on the paper, it'll stop it from moving. But that means that they have to figure out what do I do? So they'll naturally, likely turn the paper themselves. Take off the rock, hold the paper, and turn it. So the rock serves as a purpose, a prompt to tell them, oh, there's something on the paper, take it off. Oh, look, my paper moves now. The rock held it down with weight, so maybe I'll put weight and move it. So there's a lot of ideas you can do with this, and that's just one of them, and there's many different ways that you can grade it. And you can write in the comments below ideas you have for grading it up and down, as well as you can ask me too, and I would be more than happy to share. Bye bye. Remember, subscribe and like, guys. Thank you.